How do plants start? How do they grow into these big, tall, green things that we can then take fruit from to eat? Well, it all begins with a seed. And today, we are going to learn how to plant a seed so that you may watch it grow into a big plant. Today, we are going to learn how to plant a seed properly. Now, you could buy plants like this in seed form, or you could buy them in what's called a little plug, where the plant is already started for you, but for today's purposes, we will be going directly from seed. So, what you need first are your seeds, your media, water, and a place to put your media and your seeds, such as a pot, or for our purposes, we could also use cut up paper towels. And you can put them in a tray, and as soon as the roots grow nice and round, you can transplant it into a bigger pot. Also, for watering, you don't always need a watering can. You can sometimes poke a hole right into the top of a water bottle and water that way. So, let's get started on planting seeds. The first step to planting a seed is picking which type of vegetable, fruit, or flower you want to plant. For today's video, we'll be planting pumpkins, so maybe we can have jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. The next step in planting a seed is picking your media. You can use soil right out of the ground underneath your lawn or in the woods or wherever, and it'll come out like this. This is regular topsoil, or you can go to the store and buy some nutrient-rich soil to help start your plants. Your plants should grow in either, but it is recommended to use something with more nutrients in it to start the plant off. When you go to plant your seed, you can use your finger or a pencil, poke into the soil to the depth that you want to go to or that the seed package tells you to go to, such as 1/2 inch. Then you place the seed in and cover it gently with soil. So now we have planted our seeds into the pots. The last step would be to water them. You can use a regular water jug that you can find at a garden center, and that'll provide a nice stream of water to the plant. Do not overwater like I potentially just did, because, like anything, too much water or food is not a good thing. Now, when watering, you can also use our little trick of poking a hole into the top of a regular water bottle, so you don't need a fancy can. And you can gingerly apply the water as you see fit. Now you have planted a seed and you can watch it grow.